Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got Antone and Eric, flew all the way out from California. They spent 2 days here with us, just kicking it, checking out how we do stuff at the shop. We laid down a plan for his build that he's going to do himself when he gets back to California. Showed him how we do things over here, let him listen to a couple of bikes. He's getting ready to change the game out there. I'm not allowed to say what he's doing, but it's going to be different. It's going to be nice. So, was it worth the trip?
Oh, man, I just got to say, I want to thank these guys for allowing me into their space, their workspace, for me to look over their shoulders. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day, putting calls to voicemail to spend time to answer my questions. You lost a lot of money by pushing those phone calls, and so I understand that, and I'm appreciative. And yeah, Kelly, I'm coming back. I'm coming back for something different.
All right, we'll keep you updated. He's going to send me a video when the bike's done. So we're busy, like busy. But when somebody takes time and spends money to fly completely across the country to come check out your shop and see the way you guys operate, you have to set time aside and make it worthwhile for them. At least in my opinion, you got to. And then it just helps spread the word and then improve the culture and then show people how we do things. I think it's worth it. And then whenever I can, I try and squeeze in the time, because when you think about it, it's a culture. We all love this thing that we do, and it's getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning to come into work and put in 12, 14 hours. You got to do something that you love, or else it becomes work. And if it becomes work, you're just looking at the clock and you just want to go home. So it's cool to be able to sit down, eat lunch, share stories, talk, and hang out with like-minded individuals that like the same thing that you like. So I'm glad these guys stopped by. We had a hell of a time telling jokes, telling stories, and they were impressed with what we do. And hopefully he gets we're shipping out his equipment today, tomorrow, and hopefully he gets it installed. And I can help him with the tune over the phone, get his bike sounding right. Thank you guys. Have a good night. So these are some of the reviews we have coming up this week. We have the Boss Audio BHD 3F. It's a 2-speaker kit that works on 98 through 2021 Harley Davidson Street Glide, Road Glide. We have the Cicada 8-inch coax. Cicada 6x9 coax. I'm pretty excited about this DSP from Audio Dynamics. It's a 6-channel DSP. They made a ton of improvements over the old one. This is the new DSP 46AT. And it has an optional auto-tune mic. We've installed a couple. I'm really happy with the way this works. Huge improvement over the old one. The old one was pretty good too. Review on this coming up this week too. Well, probably next week. I got to play around with the auto-tune feature. This is an 8-inch. I got a review coming up on this one. I'm not allowed to talk about it yet, but I'm excited. This thing sounds really good. Just give you a sneak peek. Got a review coming up on this radio. I love this thing. Waterproof, Bluetooth, USB, and my favorite feature, you can control all your LED lighting if you use the optional controller. That's what those buttons are for. So awesome power sports piece. I'm not a big fan of having switches drilled into my dashboard. This allows you to control 4 circuits right from the screen.